guys, good morning. I hope you are doing just great, and welcome to another piano tutorial lesson. So today I'll be playing Oghene by Frank Edward. I'm going to do a tutorial of it step by step. All right, so the song is actually in key of F, and so I'm going to be playing it in the key of C. Okay, all right, so let me start with the song. I will start with the intro. Okay. Alright guys, so that's basically what it's being played in the song. So I'm going to break it down for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start with the intro. So this is how the intro starts. Okay, I'm going to take it step by step. Okay, so I was playing something like this with my right hand while playing with my left C. Okay, I do it slowly. After you do, okay, this time around I'm playing mi, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Okay, I'm using my ring finger on mi, and I'm using my middle finger on re, and my pinky on fa. Okay, so when I do that one, so I started with, yes, when I do that mi, fa, mi, re, mi, I go to B on the left hand. Okay, I still do it again. Okay, I do it slowly. Okay, this time around I go to B flat on my left. Okay, that's my left hand. All right, then I do, okay, mi, fa, sa, sa. Then you press F broken chord. So that's F, C, and F. Okay, so I do it slowly. So when you are ending on so here, okay, you press, that's G here, you press F, okay, F broken chord. Okay, okay, then you press C, okay, you press C. Okay, then the next that follows is you you do it again, okay, because actually something twice, but this time around you have to spice it up a bit. So you see the same thing. Okay, so you still do mi fa mi re mi, then you add so there or G. Okay, we do again our mi fa mi re mi. Okay, then this time when you end, you take you play a C octave. Okay, take it slowly again. So let me play. That's all about that intro. All right, so that's all about the intro. So the next part that enters is actually the one that contains the song itself, even though this one could still go, but it's actually the intro of the song. So the chord progression of the song is actually a 1 1, that's C, we have a G, okay, then D minor, that's the 2, and F. Okay, but I was actually playing D minor inversion. I was mostly playing the second inversion. Okay, then F major, that's the 4th. So that's actually the chord progression of the song. All right, so I was playing something like this. When I finished the intro, I played something like this. Okay, so you actually play a broken chord, this C. So you play C, G, and F. You play C, G, and C. That's a broken chord. Okay. That's with your left. Then we add you can add yeah, when you play that you then add re okay, so it's you play that, then re mi, then you also play a broken chord of G, that's G, G, D, and G. Okay, add C, do, re. Then now, okay, also play the broken chord for D minor. That's D, A, and D. Okay, you play. Then you play re, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi. Okay, when you do that, re, fa, sol, la, sol, la. So you enter, when you play this, you also play that of F. Okay, so I do it slowly. So you do that when you are on A before you enter to this one. Okay, then you continue. So you can play it simple. So I just wanted you to get what I was playing. You can also play it simple. That's just a 1 5 2 chord progression. Okay, so whenever I go, you are there. Whenever I pray, Lord, you hear. I'm not alone, this I know. What can I bring to you, Lord? What a song of praise, what can I do? Are you coming? So guys, that's just a breakdown of what I had for you today. I hope you learned something, and please do subscribe to my channel for more lessons. Okay, God bless you.